tracking a pinpoint weather alert now at 4. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is here now. And Tony, we just got word from New Bedford that the Harbor Walk, Cove Walk, Fort Tabor are going to be closed because of expected high winds, part of the storm system that we're under an alert for right now. Yeah, completely different type of storm system. This is a heavy rain and strong wind. The strongest wind along the south shore. Could be some wind damage and flooding rain as well. So sort of the calm. We're looking at Newport Pell Bridge now. We are clear, cold and dry. The streets of downtown Providence. Take a look. And heading out this evening, the weather looks fine. Just watch for every now and then some isolated areas of ice. Anything that melted will refreeze, though temperatures now are above freezing. Some things to do before the storm, especially in those areas that had the most snow, which is in our northern suburbs. A lot of rain and a lot of snow melt. So at least perhaps if you can clear, if some of your downspouts are covered up with ice and snow, this is going to create more of a problem for you as far as flooding on your property. So if you can clear this before the rain starts tomorrow evening, as mentioned before, there we go. Clear those storm drains as well. Allows the water obviously to drain them a lot better than if they're covered. So those neighborhoods again that had the most snow, I mean the northern part of the state had anywhere between 6 and 11 inches of snow. If you can clear those drains. We're in the mid-30s now in most areas, looking at 35, 36 in Providence. Threat tracker remainder of this evening and into at least the daylight hours of Tuesday. Looking okay. We have this at a medium level because there are some icy spots on some neighborhood side streets. But again, heading out this evening for the most part, not bad. It's really ramping up though tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, early on Wednesday morning. So here's our next storm system. Across the Central Plains and along the Gulf Coast, this moisture will track north and east, arriving here by the evening commute. So watch the time bar. We'll take this into motion. The main storm center itself is going to track to our west, and that'll allow milder temperatures and mainly rain. This is tomorrow morning. We are dry and cold with clouds on the increase. No precipitation for the morning commute. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still dry, clouding up. One storm center out towards Chicago, a second one forming towards the mid-Atlantic coastline, and then the green indicating rain is arriving or starting by the evening commute, and then it really ramps up later tomorrow night. There's that second storm system. This red line's a warm front. It will promise very mild temperatures and rain and not snow. The rain and the wind up until I would say about 5 in the morning. Thereafter, the worst of the storm will pass offshore, and then during Wednesday morning and afternoon, some scattered showers, but nothing like the heavy rain and strong wind during the pre-dawn hours of Wednesday. And then drying out later Wednesday afternoon and into Wednesday night. Excessive rainfall outlook is in the slight to moderate category. It's a lot of rain over a short amount of time combined with melting snow, and the reason why the flood watch has been issued. So we'll take a look at the the rainfall forecast, and looking at anywhere from 1.5 inches to 2.5, 3 inches of rain. We're going to have to keep an eye on local rivers and streams. That includes the Patuxent River as well. As far as the wind gusts, the areas in purple indicate some of the stronger winds. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. They're starting to pick up along the south shore and then really ramping up late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Gusts along the coastline may be as high as 60 miles per hour. But notice as we get towards daybreak on Wednesday, the strongest of the winds will be heading offshore. So bottom line, the worst of this storm in terms of rain and wind is tomorrow night. Looking okay for this evening under generally clear skies, some filtered sun through increasing clouds tomorrow morning. Watch for some icy spots early, and then during the afternoon hours starting off dry, but then finishing off with some of that rain by the end of the day. Rain and wind tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning, drying out later Wednesday afternoon. A third potential storm for late Friday into Saturday. That one is another rain and wind storm, so a very active pattern. Tony, thank you. Turning now